Now we'll go into our sample guided analytics. All right, so click on data load to load your input data. As you can see below, we can actually preview all of that input data right there. So next we'll go into data profiling. And first we'll select the target column. And here you can see all the statistical information of our input data. Okay, so you can select the column to use, and then what Brightics will do is, among the columns that you've selected, it will recommend the most appropriate columns. So with just a click of the button, if we go on next, now we can perform a variety of different analyses. And here you can see automatically recommended features. So we can check the ratio of incomplete data that have missing values. So now we can select the cleansing method, whether it's auto data cleansing or delete missing data. So if we click on model selection, now we have holdout and cross-validation methods. And as you can see here, we can fine-tune those parameters. And here we can choose either regression or classification. So there's 4 regression algorithms and 5 classification algorithms offered. And once again, we can adjust those hyperparameters per our needs. So here we can select and deselect the decision tree and adjust those hyperparameters accordingly. Now if we click on evaluation, here you can see the training time for each algorithm. And here we have an evaluation metric, so using MAE and MSE. And here we have our R-squared score. So Random Forest has the highest R-squared score. And now what we're going to do is export the process that we have created to the workflow modeler. So click on the model created from Guided Analytics. And this is the model that we created from Guided Analytics. And you can see here, we can also add more algorithms if needed. Just simply double click to add in any sort of function and algorithm.